तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi guys, welcome to Screen Guru. So here I am with our daily series 10 minutes equals to 10 plus current affairs questions. So today the date is 1st December 2021. So we'll be looking into current affairs MCQs of today. So before starting, I would like to point it out that if you are here to learn facts and make through your exams or academics, please take a note out of each and every fact and whatever discussion and content is available in this video. Rest, or the other way, if you are here to challenge yourself or test yourself, whenever I have completed reading the question, please stop the video or pause the video for a while, answer yourself, and then later on, if your answer is right, just tick mark and test yourself in that way if you are well prepared or not, so you can challenge yourself on a daily basis. So without wasting any further time, we will start. Okay, so the first question goes, very easy question. Men's Ballon d'Or 2021 award was won by, option A is Ronaldo, option B is Messi, option C is Lewandowski, and option D is Mbappe. So the right answer is option B, that is Messi. So he has won this award for 7 times now. Ronaldo has won this award for 5 times. Messi plays for PSG currently, that is Paris Saint-Germain, and he plays for the country Argentina. I am also giving you some facts regarding each and every MCQ, so please point it out so that we brush up each and every concept or the topic whichever has been in the current news on a daily basis. Then the next big contender this year was Lewandowski. He won the award in 2020, okay, and he plays for Poland and the club is BM, that is Bayern Munich. Fine, we will move ahead to our next question, that is Women's Ballon d'Or 2021 was won by. तो यार मेंस तो सबको पता होता है, लेकिन वुमेन्स भी पता होना चाहिए ना, एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है. सो ऑप्शन ए इज एलेक्सिया पुटेलेस, ऑप्शन बी इज लूसी ब्रॉन्स, ऑप्शन सी इज मार्था, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज समंथा केर. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज एलेक्सिया पुटेलेस, एंड शी प्लेज फॉर द क्लब बार्सिलोना. शी प्लेज फॉर द कंट्री स्पेन. Okay, we will move ahead with our next question. Question number 3, that is Football Club of the Year 2021 award at Ballon d'Or award ceremony was won by. Option A is Manchester City, option B is Real Madrid, option C is PSG, that is Paris Saint-Germain, and option D is Chelsea. So the right answer is option D, that is Chelsea. Fine, please make a note out of this. This is very important. Moving ahead, Best Striker of the Year 2021 award at Ballon d'Or ceremony was won by, ये won 2 बार आ गया, was won by. Option A is Neymar, option B is Lewandowski, option C is Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, and option D is Benzema. So the right answer is option B, Lewandowski. He won the Ballon d'Or award in 2020. Remember that, and he was the टॉप कंटेंडर आफ्टर मेसी, मतलब वो सेकेंड है इस बार, लेवेंडोव्स्की. ही मेसी वॉन द वोटिंग बाय 176 वोट्स. ओके, बैलन डी'ओर के लिए जो वोटिंग होता है उसमें मेसी को 176 वोट्स ज़्यादा मिले थे लेवेंडोव्स्की से. फाइन, एंड लेवेंडोव्स्की प्लेज फॉर बायर्न म्यूनिच, कंट्री पोलैंड, एंड मेसी प्लेज फॉर PSG, and the country is of course Argentina. And Messi has also made a record about he is the player with most number of Ballon d'Ors, Ballon d'Or awards. Okay, the next after Messi is Ronaldo with 5 Ballon d'Ors. So moving ahead, we have Twitter's new CEO 2021 Parag Agarwal is an alumnus of. अभी ये तो यार सबको पता हो गया, लेकिन ये पता होना चाहिए कि he is an alumnus of which university. Option A is Washington University, option B is Chicago University, option C is Stanford University, and option D is Harvard University. So the right answer is option C, that is Stanford University. So he has completed his PhD from there. Fine. And he is, for your extra knowledge, I will tell you that he is an alumnus of IIT Bombay. There he completed his engineering in electrical engineering में थे वो. Okay. He is a classmate of renowned singer श्रेया घोषाल. अभी आपको यार याद रहेगा. We will move ahead to the latest news and also very good news. That is, world's newest republic in the year 2021 is. Recently उसको रिपब्लिक स्टेटस मिला है. Option A is Barbados, option B is Jamaica, option C is El Salvador, and option D is Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. Sorry for the mispronunciation. So the right answer is very important, very important. Double star, triple star mark. I will make a separate video on this. Okay, this becomes very important. इसमें बहुत सारे concepts आ गए. So the right answer is option A, that is Barbados. Fine. It became the latest or the newest republic in the year 2021. We'll move ahead. Question number 7. Which officer assumed the post of Chief of Indian Naval Staff in the year 2021? So options are Admiral A, Admiral Karambir Singh. Option B is Admiral Sunil Lamba. Option C is Admiral R. Harikumar. Option D is Admiral Suresh Mehta. Very easy. We can cancel out the options. ये तो अभी X हो चुके हैं. He was prior to हरि कुमार and सुनील लांबा तो करमबीर सिंह के पहले थे, right? So the right answer is Admiral R. हरि कुमार. ये उनके पहले थे, सुनील लांबा के पहले. So क्रोनोलॉजी अगर हम देखें, क्रोनोलॉजी आपको मैं बता देता हूँ. वो है ना डायलॉग, क्रोनोलॉजी समझ रहे हो तो यहाँ आपको क्रोनोलॉजी समझना पड़ेगा. First was Admiral Suresh Mehta. Then we had after 1-2 admirals, थोड़े गैप के बाद हमें एडमिरल सुनील लांबा थे हमारे चीफ. उसके बाद थे इमीडिएटली उसके बाद एडमिरल करमबीर सिंह. एंड देन नाउ आवर चीफ ऑफ इंडियन नेवल स्टाफ इज एडमिरल आर हरि कुमार. Okay, please remember that if you are preparing for defense exams, this becomes very important. So we'll move on to 8th question. Who became the president of Barbados as it attained its republic status in 2021? So option A is Dame Sandra Prunella Mason. Option B is Cuba Gooding Jr. Option C is Sir Gary Sobers. And option D is Queen Elizabeth. You can use the technique of cancellation. ये तो नहीं होगा, रिपब्लिक स्टेटस अटेंड किया है ना, दूसरे तो नहीं होंगे. सर गैरी सोबर्स तो क्रिकेट से एसोसिएटेड है, तो आपके पास बचे अभी 2. अभी आपको थोड़ा आइडिया होगा. सो द राइट आंसर इज डेम सैंड्रा प्रुनेला मैनसन. कुबा गुडिंग जूनियर इज अ रिनोन्ड एथलीट. फाइन. ही इज रिलेटेड टू सम डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एस्पेक्ट. ही इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू पॉलिटिक्स. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, डेम सैंड्रा प्रुनेला मैनसन. Then we have the next question. Barbados gained independence on which date? 30 November 1976, 1996, 2021 या 1966? Here the right answer is option D, that is 30 November 1966. And 30 November 2021 को उनको क्या मिला है? उनको रिपब्लिक स्टेटस मिला है. Fine. So the Republic Day of Barbados would be on 30th November. But उनका ये रिपब्लिक स्टेटस उनको मतलब 30 नवंबर 2021 को मिला है और उनको इंडिपेंडेंस 1966 में मिला है. सो फ्रॉम 1966 टू रिसेंटली इट वाज अंडर क्वीन एलिजाबेथ. मूविंग अहेड, विच नेशन वाज द मोस्ट रीसेंट रिपब्लिक इन द वर्ल्ड बिफोर बारबाडोस? बिफोर बारबाडोस कहा गया है. प्लीज रीड द फुल क्वेश्चन. ऑप्शन ए इज मालदीव्स, ऑप्शन बी इज न्यू पापुआ गिनी, ऑप्शन सी इज मॉरिशियस एंड ऑप्शन डी इज जिबूती. So here the right answer is Mauritius. Okay. Moving ahead, Davis Cup is associated with which game? Option A is tennis, option B is table tennis, option C is badminton, option D is football. So here the right answer is टेनिस, दैट इज लॉन टेनिस से एसोसिएटेड है। ठीक है, अगर आप थोड़ा भी फॉलो करते होंगे गेम्स को, स्पोर्ट्स को, वर्ल्ड कप, टूर्नामेंट, ये सब को, आपको थोड़ा आइडिया हो जाएगा उसका। सो हियर कम्स फाइनल होमवर्क क्वेश्चन, जस्ट कमेंट डाउन the answers if you know. If you don't, just google it or find it out through books etc. and comment below yaar. Who has been named as the national hero of Barbados? Option A is Rihanna, option B is Gigi Hadid, option C is Beyonce and option D is Lady Gaga. Right answer बताना है comment section में. Fine. So I know that the video has been seen fully by you and it is useful for you. मुझे पता चलना चाहिए ना, आप देख रहे हो, आपको थोड़ा यूजफुल बन रहा है, तो इसीलिए आप कमेंट करिएगा राइट आंसर। सो विद दैट आई विल टेक योर लीव, हैव अ ग्रेट डे अहेड, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
By sheer coincidence.